Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, an affordable Ultra or Watch Ultra clone in the market. And we also have here the Omron medical grade device, okay, monitoring the systolic and diastolic. In short, it monitors your blood pressure as well as the heart rate. Okay, so we are going to compare the health monitoring function of this wearable, including the heart rate, blood pressure, and check it, okay, compare it with our Omron medical grade device here. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so we already set it up. Okay, our blood pressure monitoring here, medical grade device, blood pressure and heart rate monitoring is already attached, okay, to our arm. And we also have here our smartwatch. Okay, first let's check our heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, then after this we are going to check our heart rate and blood pressure with our smartwatch here. Then after that we are going to have a simultaneous monitoring. Okay, so let's start first with the Omron medical grade device here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's now pumping air. So let's wait, and it's now done. It is now checking for our heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's wait. So we have here 110/78 and 79 beats per minute. Okay, with our smartwatch here, let's check for our heart rate as well as blood pressure. Okay, let's go first for our blood pressure. Okay, so it's now checking. So 106/71. Okay, it's a bit close. How about for the heart rate? Let's see. We do hope that we have a closer result. We do have here, let's wait, I think it's 70. Okay, so far from the results here. So let's see if we will have a simultaneous monitoring. Okay, let's start. Okay, we have our heart rates. So let's check. I guess we have 79 here for the heart rate. For the blood pressure, let's see. Again, remember our heart rate is 79. Okay, our blood pressure here, it's a little bit up, 120/83 and 104/84. See, the diastolic is much closer compared to the systolic. Let's see, let's have another one test. Okay, so this one is much closer now. Okay, 119/84, and it's a fast results here. Okay, so seems like the blood pressure for this one is okay. Okay, as well as the heart rate. Let's see. So we have 79 previously, then we have 79 here. Okay, we do have the exact, okay, results. Okay, now we have 86, but it's much closer now. Okay, compared to our first try. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of the heart rate, blood pressure monitoring, okay, with our S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch compared with the Omron medical grade device. Okay, so far the results is good. But anyway, whether the result is good or not, don't use the results of this smartwatch, okay, when it comes to health, okay, for medical diagnosis. Only it will serve as a reference. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this video demo for our S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries. Bye.